All right. So, excellent. We're doing well. However, we overlooked one thing in the second sentence. Clay? Well, yes, we will diagram the okay. Missed something else. What about die? Sam, what should we do? No, because it's not modifying anything. What is die in this sentence? It's a verb.
That's what she said. She said like another vertical line or vertical line.
You need a fork.
You need a fork. Come on, Sam. Did you not do that?
No, it's okay.
No, I was.
Crap, Sam.
I definitely didn't think.
That's like joking. I know. That's what I always say. What? Like we're joking. Like we're joking. We're just kidding. That doesn't make sense. You're like saying nothing.
Okay, then let's take it carefully. Okay, the rest of the bees will stop working and eventually die. The bees are doing two things. They're acting two verbs, stop and die. Do you see that in the sentence? Stop and die, which means that both stop and die are the simple predicates. You have a compound predicate. You have two verbs. Since they are equal, they must appear as equal, and they must appear on horizontal lines because they're verbs. So you make two parallel horizontal lines. That's what the fork is for. Abby?
What about working?
Like I said, working is the object of stop. It's what's being stopped. So it's actually acting as, it's a verb. It looks like a verb. It's called a verbal. It's acting as a noun. That's what gerunds do. So working.
Pick up the secret verbs.
I'm sorry?
In the last one. Well, in the last one, there was one that looked like the using. In the last
Right.
one.
And remember what we did? We matched using with Bissinger, and we said Bissinger using. That didn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Are the rest working? Are the bees working?
No.
What are they doing?
They're stopping.
They're stopping.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So what you do is you match those noun and verb pairs and ask yourself, first of all, in content terms, are the bees actually working? No. They're stopping working. That focuses you on the verb of stopping. And secondly, in the case of Bissinger using, that's grammatically incorrect. So that pairing doesn't make sense either. Whereas, what was the verb Bissinger is, that is grammatically correct and makes sense. And don't worry, Abby or anybody else, it'll become easier once you start understanding what gerunds are and you're able to pick it up. Unfortunately, we just sort of rush into language, especially when I ask you to suggest your own sentences. But it works that way. Sam?
Why is there like a dashed line?
Ah, good. So let's start here.
Isn't that line always dashed? Like secret now.
Dashed lines indicate connection between two structures. Two structures are connected here. They are connected with what word? Correct.
But if you have that fork, you always have that dotted line.
Yes, because the fork indicates two structures and they're always connected in some way. If you had this on the subject side, yes, you would have the bees and Lily stopped working. Bees on top, Lily on the bottom with the dotted line carrying and. Clay.